Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows 3 cases of prostatic uretical cyst. You are going to see the first case, and urinary bladder and prostate is visible. And now you can see a small cyst, small uretical cyst in the central portion of the prostate gland. Prostatic uretical cyst is a rare midline cystic lesion between the urinary bladder and the rectum, commonly associated with hypospadias. Along with its rarity, it presents a challenge in its diagnosis and proper management. Now you can see the urinary bladder and the prostatic cyst and prostatic uretical cyst. And this cyst measures about 11.9 millimeter into 8.6 millimeter. Most of the prostatic uretical cysts are measure around 1 centimeter, that is around 10 millimeter. Most prostatic uretical cysts are asymptomatic, especially when small. When large, symptoms typically consist of urinary incontinence, recurrent infections of the urinary bladder, or stone formation. Malignant degeneration has been reported in 3% of prostatic uretical cysts, with the peak incident in the 4th decades of life. Now you are going to see the other case, and in here also a cyst is seen in the central portion of the prostate. The patient is aged about 41 years. And you can see this prostatic uretical cyst. Symptomatic prostatic cysts are a cause of chronic pelvic pain, upper or lower urinary tract infections, infertility, hemospermia, and rarely malignancy. Now, a simple cyst, also called prostatic retention cyst, is frequently observed in the gland as an isolated lesion surrounded by normal tissue. Such cysts are acquired due to retention of prostatic secretions. Ultrasound features are an anechoic content less than 8 millimeter or with thin and small walls or hairline septa. Now you are going to see the third case, and in this case the patient is also having free fluid in the abdominal cavity, ascites. Prostatic uretical cysts or uretical cyst PUC is an area of focal dilatation that occurs within the prostatic utricle. They are midline cystic masses in the male pelvis and may be difficult or impossible to distinguish from Mullerian duct cysts. Again, you can see in this case also is the cyst is seen in the central portion of the prostate. And as you have seen in the previous two cases, The size of this cyst is also around 1 centimeter. Rather, it looks to be less than 1 centimeter. Now you can see this size, and this is the smallest of the cyst. As you have seen in the previous two cases, it measures about 8.0 millimeter into 7.8 millimeter. Prostatic cyst is a rare disease of the prostate with 0.5% to 7.9% prevalence. It is often asymptomatic and found accidentally with abdominal ultrasound. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.